Thanks for tuning in. This is part 3 of the trailer build. This is the bed and the solar power and panel build. The way I mounted the bed was using E-tracks directly mounted to the struts in the wall, and the crossbeam of the bunk bed, just put it in there. It was my kid's old bunk bed and I repurposed it for this project. I made sure it can hold my weight. I gave myself enough leg room, knee room. If I'm sleeping on my side, I want to be comfortable too. And also crawling up into the bed area too. I have to give myself enough room to crawl up there, so this is perfect for me. And this is kind of the final look. Just gotta furnish it with some blankets and sheets and pillows. Alright, so this is my setup for the solar power. I found a diagram online, followed it accordingly, bought all the things to make sure my power can handle it. Put it all in the totes. Baseboard on the bottoms to support the weight. Mounted everything I had already on the box. Batteries finally came in, but then yeah, I have to clean up first. I made a mess searching for everything everywhere, and I get about 200 amp hours. So here, let me take you guys around. Kill switch is to a 250 amp breaker. You got your bus bar, and then you got a 60 amp breaker for the other accessories. Alright, let's go to the front here and let's check this out. Solar controller right here can draw about 500 watts of power, and then the outlet can push about 1500 watts when I hook up accessories to it. And USB ports on the side, and the hole on the right there, that's for cool air to draw in. Display for my voltmeter, input for my solar panels. Let me take you around here. Bus bar for the negative, outlet fan, and then the accessories fuse box, and then that one goes to the bus bar, which goes to the 60 amp breaker. And then the remote control for the power inverter in the back there, that's 2000 watts. Pair sign goes to the front here, and I control it on and off once I turn that kill switch on, and that kill switch will turn everything off. Right now I'm just waiting for the battery post to arrive so I can power up everything. That's pretty much it. Here's the layout for the framing for the solar panels. I used some electrical channel struts and some slotted steel rails. I also made it where I can pivot it towards the sun if I need to, and mounted the solar panels upside down onto it, where I will bring that back up to the trailer top and just use the existing holes in the panels to mount it to the rails, as you can see here. And here's the full view of the panels mounted onto the rails, and the locking pins onto the pivoting arms. Finally got it mounted on a nice day, and here's how it looks like. Just gotta run the cables down now. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like. Have a good day. Bye.